In medical terms, abnormal hair growth, on the face as well as the body, in women is called hirsutism. It has been observed that individuals with dark hair or pigmentation are likely to be hairier than those with a lighter pigmentation or blonde hair. People typically have hair almost everywhere on the body, except on the nails and eyeballs. Thus, women do have facial hair, but it is usually only fine hair or peach fuzz. Unwanted facial hair can become an embarrassing beauty concern for women, especially when they age and their estrogen levels change due to menopause. Issues such as polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, other hormonal conditions, use of certain medications, or adrenal gland disorders can cause unwanted facial hair. In rare cases, the problem can be caused by a tumor or cancer of the adrenal gland or ovaries. Here are the top 10 home remedies for unwanted facial hair. 1. Homemade sugar wax. This is a super easy and effective home remedy to get rid of unwanted facial hair. Mix 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, brown or white, and 1 teaspoon each of honey and water. Heat the mixture in a microwave or on a stove for about half a minute until it bubbles and turns brown. Allow it to cool. Using a spatula, apply it on the areas where you want to remove the hair. Place a cloth strip over the sugar wax and smooth it out with your fingers in the direction of the hair growth. Finally, rip it off in the opposite direction of hair growth. Repeat as needed. 2. Chickpea flour. A chickpea flour face pack will help exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin and hair. Plus, it can lighten the color of your skin and facial hair. You can get chickpea flour, also known as gram flour or besan, from an Indian market or health food store. Mix together 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of milk cream, 1 1/2 teaspoon of milk, and 3/4 teaspoons of turmeric. Apply this thick paste on your face and leave it on for 20 minutes or until it dries. Scrub it off using a facial loofah pad or simply a soft cloth dipped in lukewarm water. Do this at least 3 or 4 times a week for about a month. Alternatively, mix 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, 1/2 teaspoon of plain yogurt, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. You can also add 1/2 teaspoon of rose water. Spread it on your face and leave it on for 20 minutes before scrubbing it off. Another remedy involves mixing 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and enough milk, about 1/2 teaspoon, to make a thick, smooth paste. 3. Green gram flour and rose water. Like chickpea flour, green gram flour also aids natural hair removal through exfoliation. In addition, the combination of green gram flour and rose water works as a natural cleanser for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Add 1 1/2 tablespoon of rose water to 2 tablespoons of green gram flour. You may add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice as well. Spread the paste on your face and leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes before scrubbing it off. Do this 3 to 4 times a week. 4. Sugaring. Sugaring works as a natural treatment for removing facial as well as body hair. Unlike waxing, it requires pulling the hair in the direction of the hair growth, which causes less pain and skin irritation. Interestingly, this technique was established centuries ago in Egypt. Heat 1/4 cup of water in a pan. Add 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of lemon juice to it. Continue heating the paste until bubbles appear. Turn down the heat to low medium and let it simmer for about 25 minutes until it turns dark amber in color. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Prepare your skin by dusting a little cornstarch or baby powder on your skin and then spread the lukewarm mixture on your face in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Put a clean rag or cotton strip over the layer of sugar paste and let it sit for a few minutes. Finally, pull it off quickly in the direction of the hair growth. 5. Spearmint tea. Excess hair growth is often attributed to excessive production of androgen in the body. Spearmint tea can help regulate hormone levels. A study conducted by Turkish researchers indicates that spearmint tea can help women with hirsutism. The study subjects were given herbal spearmint tea twice a day for 5 days in the follicular phase of their menstrual cycles. The follicular phase begins on the first day of your cycle and lasts about 14 days. Boil a cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of dried spearmint to it. If you have fresh spearmint leaves, use 4 or 5 of them. Cover the container and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink the tea. Have it twice daily. 6. Lemon juice and honey. Being sticky in nature, a lemon juice and honey mask can help remove fine hair from your face. The lemon juice works as a cleansing and exfoliating agent, and the honey helps soften the hair due to its hydrating and moisturizing properties. Moreover, being an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, it will help avoid skin irritation and breakout. Because of its bleaching quality, lemon juice will also help lighten your facial skin and hair. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 4 tablespoons of honey. Apply it on your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently remove the mask with a washcloth soaked in lukewarm water. Do this at least twice a week for a few months. 7. Egg, sugar and corn flour. This recipe works as a great natural peel-off mask to remove facial hair and impurities from your skin. Whisk 1 egg white and add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 tablespoon of corn flour to it. Apply the mixture to your face. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then peel it off. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times a week. 8. Lentil face pack. A face pack prepared from powdered red lentils, or masoor dal, works as an excellent face scrub to get rid of unwanted facial hair. Grind and sieve 1/2 cup of red lentils a few times to get a fine powder. Mix 2 tablespoons of the powder with sufficient milk or honey to make a paste. Let it stand for 15 minutes. Store the rest of the powder in an airtight container. Apply the mixture to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then scrub it off. Use it 2 or 3 times a week. If you have dry skin, use it once a week. You can also add sandalwood powder, dried orange peel powder, rose water, and potato juice in this beauty pack. These ingredients are great for your skin. Potato juice, in particular, can help lighten your facial hair and skin tone. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric can be combined with a number of ingredients to get rid of unwanted facial hair naturally. Mix equal amounts of turmeric and whole wheat flour. Add sufficient sesame oil to make a thick paste. Smear it on your face and let it sit for about half an hour before scrubbing it off. Repeat the process once a week. Alternatively, combine 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder with enough milk or rose water to make a paste. Apply it to your face and allow it to dry. Finally, scrub it off. Additional tip: to remove the yellow coloration on your skin left behind after the application of turmeric, dip a cotton ball in milk and rub it on your skin. 10. Papaya. Papaya works as natural bleach and helps lighten unwanted facial hair. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder in raw papaya pulp. Gently massage your face with it and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Do this once a week. Alternatively, apply a mixture of 1/2 cup of papaya pulp and 1 tablespoon of milk. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and then wash it off. For encouraging results, be patient and use 1 or more of these remedies daily or 3 to 4 times a week for at least 1 month. If you have unusual or excessive hair growth on your face or body, may be accompanied by masculine features such as increased muscle mass, deepening voice, decreased breast size, etc. Consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment of any underlying medical condition. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.